Hello friends, in this video we will explore the line tool. Let's select the line tool. Here it is. Now in the properties you can see an attribute named weight. By default it is 1 pixel. If you increase the weight, its thickness will increase. If you decrease the weight, its thickness will decrease. But whose weight or whose thickness? The line. Let's illustrate by drawing a 1 pixel weight line. Here it is. Now let's increase its weight to 5 pixel. It's 1. Now I will change it to 5 pixel. Now let's draw another line now. See, its weight is increased, isn't it? So we have drawn two lines, one with 1 pixel weight and another with 5 pixel weight. Okay, now just left to weight attribute we have a wheel shaped button. Let's click it. We can see we have an option of arrowhead with two checkboxes, start and end. This means at the start and end point we can have arrowheads. Let's select only start option. Now let's draw a line. See, in the preview only you can notice. Okay. Now again come to the wheel and select the end also. See, now you can notice that at the both ends we have the arrowheads. One thing you can see that these lines are not that straight. In order to draw a straight line, while dragging, make sure you press the shift key like this. See, now I am not pressing the shift key, and now I will press the shift key. See, it's perfect straight, isn't it? Either it could be 45 degree, means minus 45 or plus 45 or 90. This will be always straight if you hold the shift key. That's it. So in this video we have explored the line tool. In our next video we will explore the polygon tool.